Okay, guys, I'm going to show you just to remind you how to use history. Remember, you can go to your Google Classroom and find the link for this website. Sign into Google Classroom first. Then, when you're ready to sign into here, all you have to do is hit sign in with Google. It puts all your information in, and then all you have to do is enter a class code. A lot of you guys will do that in class, so you'll understand that. Um, I want to start right here. I want to create a new timeline and pretend to be a student. Let's pretend I'm an East student named Bob Davis. Okay, so I make my timeline right there, Bob Davis, my name. Right here, you can just put my timeline. If you want to be creative and do something else, that's fine. But what I want you to realize is you shouldn't make this be the title of your project. That doesn't make any sense because throughout the year, you're going to be in different projects. So if this says whatever project you're in, fire hydrant mapping, that way every time I look at your timeline or anyone looks at it, it's going to say fire hydrants. And you may not be on that project anymore, so that doesn't make sense. Um, Change the heading. This is yours to do what you want with. You can change it to whatever you want. Just remember, other people are going to be seeing this, so don't try to be too funny, but be creative, right? Okay, add banner. Um, Banners are cool. It's the first thing that anyone sees and the first thing you see when you get on your timeline. Um, you can go to Google and try to find a banner that you think's cool. This it just happens to be on here a Paul Walker car, Fast and Furious. I'm gonna go ahead and use it. Cool, looks kind of cool. It's it's your timeline. You can make it have what you want. It's kind of like how you get to color your own folder. So make it about you. So um, the good thing is if you're starting this out and we're into school 10 weeks, so you should have plenty to write. Um, Start with text if you want. Go ahead and start with the date always. That way, it's going to be cool to look back at the end of the year and have a date right here. Okay, so you know when you started this thing. Also, you can see how you progress throughout the year. So my first, whoops, caps lock's on. My fault. My first project. Then you just type. What was it? What was the goal? It's good to see a project goal at the beginning of a project. So if you're on a project right now, you should probably write your project goal. If you did a project before, say you finished one, let's still write that project goal and then write down what happened with it. Say you worked on it for a while and it wasn't your thing, write that. But remember, stay positive on here. Don't throw people under the bus because other people are going to see this. You don't want to start that. Think of this as kind of like a resume for you, a digital resume. You don't want to be negative on your resume. Trust me, people won't hire you. They don't want negativity in their workplace. So it's a good idea to start thinking about ways to stay positive. There are people that I've seen that are incredibly positive in the most stressful situations. It's a gift. It's something that you need to acquire to be able to do that. So um, that's how you do this. And remember, you can the next one. I'd like it to be a mixture of text and pictures. So the next time you might want to like bring in an image of you working or something. Let's just say this is part of your project. This is actually Garrett Hollow. So let's use it. And anytime you use an image, you caption it. This is Garrett Hollow natural area. Our group, our group filmed aerial footage with the drone of this site. It is going to be provided for the Arkansas sorry, I'm having to remember, Heritage websites. That's probably enough. Maybe write a little bit more, but then at the end, a good caption, good photo, um, and it's interesting. I mean, this 5 minutes, well, not even 5 minutes in, I have a good looking timeline. So that is how to use um, history. Now remember, back here, you can always look at mine. You can always look at this one. This one has what we're going for, the goal, the screenshots, videos. Remember, that has to be YouTube linked right now. Text, what have you accomplished? What do you hope to accomplish? This is just some ideas about what you can write in yours. This is a YouTube video. I made a quick little YouTube video about this. There's me at home. So, bad place to pause that. So, anyway, use it twice a week. Do a good job. Remember, it's about you, not about your group necessarily. So what are you doing? If you're the hardest working one in your group, you should be proud of this thing. If you're not, you should encourage yourself to be a harder worker. So let's everyone get a little better than you were before, and let's do a good job. See you later.